Hey guys, it's me again. My name is Promise Bass from Advanced Bass Tutorials. I'm here to answer your questions on YouTube, especially then on TikTok. How do you come about these arpeggios? How do you create them? What are the theories behind some of these arpeggios? Yes, we shall get right into that in a minute. But before that, let's explore a demo right here on the key of A. I will just play it spontaneously, no rehearsals, just roughly. I will come back. I shall answer all your questions. Without wasting time on the key of A, let's go. Alright, first of all, let's start with the definition of arpeggios. Now, you must be able to differentiate arpeggios from scales. Arpeggio is simply selecting a particular portion of a chord, then you explore it. It's simply playing the notes of a chord, a particular chord in a section. That is the difference between arpeggio and a regular scale. If you take note of the song, when we played, there is arpeggio in here, and also there are some embellishments just to embellish it back to the progression. That is another knowledge on its own. So what did I play here? It is simple. I will slow it down on the key of A. We were approaching the Fa, which is, of course, you know, your Fa chord is Fa lado, which is the fourth chord in the song, which is Do, Re, Mi, Fa. So instead of just playing a regular scale on that Fa, what did I do? I just have to explore the notes of the chord, which is Fa, La, Do. So I just added one note, which is Mi, which is just a passing note. So I just played Mi, Fa, La, Do, Mi, Fa, La, Do, 2 octave. Then I just have to wrap it up or embellish it back to the progression, back to Mi, because the chord was. So it's just a matter of time you will get there. Now, listen, another thing is speed comes in time. You can't develop speed by using speed. You develop speed by playing slowly. It's that simple. So let me just call the notes of all this chord I played. Mi, Fa, La, Do, Mi, Fa, La, Do, La, Ti, La, So, Fa. Mi, Re, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi. Then, of course, you know what to do back to your progression.